How is the pace compared to banking?
Oh, it's great. I really enjoy my job, honestly.
Did you have to take a big pay cut, or was it similar pay?
There was pay cut.
There was a pay cut. Yep.
Base wise, corp dev probably matches your, investment banking or PE jobs, I would
Like
say.
what, 125, 150?
I got more than that
Okay.
from a base. I mean, but I also understand it depends on industry you're going in, and it also depends on there isn't like a set pay
Yeah.
level like investment banking.
Okay. And then specifically, the bonus is obviously much smaller.
But bonus is not smaller,
Yeah.
as you go up, some of them, incentivize you with, their stock options and stuff, which could be big.
Yeah.
But, definitely you're not talking about 150%, bonus you get in P's or.
You're more like 20, 30%, something like that. Is that fair?
Yeah, for cash part, yes. It could, yeah.
Okay.